I'm out here in a little woodlot with Leo on his hunting trail. No matter what radio I try, whether it's my Anytone 878, my ICOM ID51A plus 2, my FT5, my FT60, my VX6, wherever I go in Rutland City, listen to Killington UHF AA1PR. There's this noise on 444, 550. I don't know what it is. Unless I set the squelch super higher than normal, hold the antenna out in a weird position. The noise is there on every radio that I pretty much own. Yeah, I have to put the frequency in the skip mode. Anyone know what the heck it is or what causes that? Let me know.